Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrencies using the Nash app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Nash app. Then you will have to go to the accounts section, which is on the bottom left corner of the screen. And when you open up the account section, you will see a few different options. On the top of the screen, you should see your total account balance, which means that it aggregates all the different crypto assets and all the assets in your wallet, and it shows in dollars, but you can change that obviously to your preferred currency. Below that, you will see these few options where the buy icon is. That's what we are going to use in a second. Below that, you can see some earning possibilities where you can earn interest on your cryptos. I've made a few videos about that, so don't forget to check out if you are interested in earning interest on your cryptos. And yeah, to buy any kinds of cryptos, when you download the app and sign up, you just have to tap on the buy icon. And at the beginning, when you just started using this app and your identity is not verified, first you have to do that, where you have to type in your name, your full name, your birth date, and then you have to scan your ID or your driving license card so they can verify your identity. And after that, when you tap on buy, all the different crypto options are going to be available, and you can just tap on them and type in the amount that you would like to purchase and go through with your purchase. So that's pretty much it, how you can use the Nash app and how to buy cryptos on it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.